Hey guys, it's Brianna Faith, and today we have a very exciting video. I have finally opened my own Etsy shop, which you guys can shop at now, and I'm just so excited that I finally took the plunge and did it. I've been talking about it for a while now, but I did it. Yay! So when I first started creating listings, as many newbies probably watching this video have done, you have gotten an error message on photos. You spent so much hard work taking these photos and then this happens. So this, as you can imagine, is super frustrating, but it's really easy to fix. So it tells you right here, listings look best when your photo's at least 2000 pixels. So all you have to do is go to your desktop, double click on the photo, select tools, and go to adjust size. Now there you're gonna see your width and your height, and you're going to change it to 2000 pixels. There's a little drop down if yours isn't selected for pixels. And then just close the photo and drop it back in Etsy. Yay! And now the photo is good, so all you have to do is delete the bad one, and then you can save and continue creating your listings and keep the progress saved, because that's the most important part. On to the preview of the Etsy shop. Welcome to Custom Little Beasties! So here's going to be my shop. It's for custom baby embroidery items for every occasion and more. So here is the Princess Pure Plush Baby Blanket and Lovey set. So this one's only $55, and what I mean by only is this fabric is literally $19 a yard, and it's double lined. Next we have my standard flannel receiving / baby blankets, swaddle blankets. These ones are pretty cheap, and these two are finished products, so these ones are already completely made and ready to ship out. This is my custom embroidery made to order baby blankets. What that means is they are not finished blankets, because I'm giving the option for them to be embroidered and customized with your little one's name on it, so you can pick between 3 different styles of fonts. You can choose if you want to have an elephant on it, or a bear on it, a bear with a bow, a bear without a bow, or you could just put their name on it. So all those options are available for this. Plus, look at this fabric, like the sharks love it. The unicorns, oh, so cute. And these little dinos, oh, I love them. Next is the whale knitted baby blanket. This one is completely handmade by my mom. It's so cute. I have one for myself, and she decided she wanted to sell a couple baby blankets that she's been working on too. This is just the first one of many to come. This all started with these custom embroidered onesies. So this is the watercolored tie-dye. There's the 3 different styles of fonts, just like the blankets, and you can choose your thread color. Pretty cute! Currently my onesies are in watercolor blue and watercolor teal. These are 100% hand dyed by me, and they're all going to be different, but if there's a different color that you would like to see, I will create a custom listing for you. Just let me know, either on my website or on my Etsy shop. For baby bibs, they're double-sided flannel or cotton with a batting layer in between for extra absorbency. Got the sheep, glow-in-the-dark monsters, and dino tacos. With the purchase of the baby bibs right now, I am doing 2 free toddler / baby hair bows with them, so you get to pick which ones of these you would like. For those that remember, this is Bob. He was in one of my videos a very long time ago, and he is debuting my princess tiara / prince crown. So it comes in 3 different colors. There's the sparkle white, the sparkle silver. I literally wear these almost every day, whether it be just around the house or going out somewhere. I love them. So these are the 2 different styles you can choose from, and it comes in 3 different colors. Of course, some of them have that sparkle, because I love me some sparkles. So the tiara actually comes in all sizes from newborns all the way to adult. So pick up your tiara today. Last to match with our baby bibs and blankets are the double layer flannel burp cloths. For this you get 2 burp cloths and you get to pick 2 baby bows, so it's a pretty good deal. You will see little previews of what's going to be coming up in the shop soon on my Instagram, custom little beasties, so stay tuned for more fun.